Okay na? Okay. Hello everyone. We are the Alejandro Campo Productions. Okay. The title of our movie is Did I Pass the Test? Okay. Okay. To begin with, I will first introduce the characters. Okay. The main characters of the movie is Dr. Doc, Alex, Pau, and Kay. Okay, now this is the first scene. Okay, in the first scene, there is a black BMW facing backwards, and then in the second scene, the camera will rotate to the front view of the car, and then it will start the engine, and then it will move forward. And the next scene is the top view of the highway where the car is moving through the destination. And another scene here is the car which is in a motion queen and moving forward. And then on the next scene is the mafia building where they will meet the mafia boss. And then there were two guards here waiting for the visitors. The next scene, the three characters, which is Alex, Kay, and Pau, goes down the car, and then they go inside the building. And then the next scene is the CCTV camera, which is moving counterclockwise, and the control room where the control man is checking the security of the building. And then the next scene, the three characters is now moving forward to the meeting room, and then they got an interaction asking each other what will they do and why they are on that place. And then with this face still smiling and don't know what's happening. And suddenly, the door was smashed by an unknown guy. And then Alex suddenly sparked Pau on his face. And then Kay is still smiling out of nowhere. Okay? And another scene where we set the camera first on his foot, and then we will go up to the face of Dr. Doc. And then here is where the story will start. Okay, Dr. Doc told them that congratulations, you three are the chosen ones to be joining our mafia family. But we need first to see your loyalty in our family. Okay, on the interrogation room, there is your wife is inside, and then waiting to be killed. So the only thing you need to do is to kill your wives. And then in the scene, Alex was totally in shock and don't know why it's like that. Why they need to kill their wife. And then same as Paulo, but Kay with a smiling face, and we don't know why it is like that. And then the another part of the storyboard will be discussed by our next presenter, Leonard Monto. By the way, I am Alexis Flores.
This is Alexis Flores. In this scene, Dr. Doc hands over the gun to Alex. Alex then proceeds to go to interrogation room, where he will see his wife bound to the chair and blindfolded. Alex, upon realizing that he will have to kill his wife, cries. He rushes over to his wife to release her. He puts the gun on the table and tries to leave the room. Dr. Doc then said to Alex that you have failed. Dr. Doc goes out of the room and tells Pau that he's next.
It is now Pau's turn to to pass his test. Dr. Doc hand over the gun to Pao, and directly proceed to the interrogation room. In the interrogation room, the light was focused in the camera, and after that, it was focused on Pao's wife, which is crying, and he pointed out the gun to his wife, and when he's pointing the gun, his hand is shaking, and he looks like he was hesitating to fire the gun. And here comes the flashback. He recalled their past memories with his wife when he proposed to her, and they make love so hard and make the car wobble, and they together look in the sunrise actually, and after that he cried and dropped the gun and ran away, and Dr. Doc picked up the gun, and when in the another scene, Kay was left in the meeting room and still smiling.
After Kay received the gun from Dr. Doc, he immediately went inside the interrogation room. There, he met his wife. After he met his wife, dramatic music will play here. Then, music. Then, he slowly shut the door. The camera will focus on the gun's trigger, slowly. And after he pulled the trigger, he was wondering why his wife is still alive. He removed the magazine of the gun and found out that it was empty. He approached his wife, and untied her from the steel chair. His wife is giving thanks to Kay. Suddenly, Kay grabbed the steel chair and smashed it to his wife. Outside the interrogation room, where Dr. Doc is waiting, the alarm suddenly activates. Then Dr. Doc went inside the room to find out what happened. Then Kay said, "The gun you gave me doesn't have any bullet. So I smashed her with the chair. Did I pass the test?"
Doc, okay na.